Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYDX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from, but definitely need to get some updates here made for the chart as the price started off very nicely for the week. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just get rid of this green line down here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation perspective, I don't want to have a million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, so I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 0.019 as resistance, but after the price broke above it, this is where you'd want to see it act as support, and you could throw this one right into a textbook. Like I said, resistances you want to see act as support, so on the pullback right there, check it out. Just an absolutely beautiful example, brings a tear to my eye as, resistance turning into support. And 0.019 would definitely be the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold above 0.019, that would be a very big sign of power. Now, if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, 0.019, the price staying above there is the best case scenario. Next level of support after that is the green line down here, which I talked about on Friday, 0.016. And then from the big picture perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. It looks like about 3 different occasions bulls got right up around this zone at 0.0223 and couldn't quite push through it. So 0.0223 going to be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But at the end of the day, as I've said, and I'll say again, breaking levels of resistance is great, yeah, but as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows like this one's been doing for the past couple of weeks, the chart's just going to continue to take care of itself. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how far this trend can continue to go. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.